Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Raypak brand pool heater and it's giving you an FAN or a fan error and you're wondering what's going on and how to get rid of it. So the fan error, as you might kind of expect, has to do with the fan. So the pilot that runs the fan, there's some kind of error there. So what you want to do is you want to check for the power, the incoming power at the fan relay. It should be 120 or 240 volts depending on where you are. And then once you've checked that the power going into the pilot is okay, you want to check and make sure that going out is 24 volts, a minimum of 24 volts for the fan relay to the pressure switch. So if the switch does not make it when the fan is operating, verify tuning between fan housing and switch is connected and is not kinked. And you will get a soft lockout after 3 attempts, and you'll have to wait after 5 minutes. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.